welcome back to the continuation of the 2014 Hyundai Veloster Turbo. This time we're gonna be cleaning the injectors. On the last video we put everything back and the engine was running perfectly, but the injector is failing. So we're gonna be doing a cleaning and we're gonna put it in the ultrasonic cleaning injector. I'm gonna be putting mineral spirits and a little bit of degreaser. The degreaser is right here. So now I'm gonna be doing the whole process of doing the cleaning and all that stuff. So I'm just gonna show you guys me doing it. Alright guys, I'm gonna do another cleaning again just to make sure that everything is good. Alright guys, so now I'm gonna be doing the cleaning or the spraying with the mineral spirits, but I'm gonna fill it up a little bit more. When you put this, if you guys are using this type of machine, make sure that it seal up pretty good on the seals over here where they connected, and if not, make sure that they do, because if not, you're gonna be leaking, spraying everywhere. So now I'm gonna be doing the whole process, all the cleanings and the injector sequence, so you guys can see how much is spraying. I need to make sure that it's on 60. That's 60 pounds right there. That's all I was talking about. This one, it was leaking. So I got finished. I don't like these numbers, but these two, they're close to it. They're on, I don't know if it goes by 2, but let's go and say 42 and 44. This one is on 52 and this one is on 60. So right now I'm not liking these numbers. I'm gonna do the whole process, but if anything, I just do another cleaning on it to see what happens. So this one is finished. These numbers are a little bit more better. These three, they're on 16. Well, this one is 16, 12, 12, and this one is 18. Okay, so these two, they're basically on 36, and this one is on 30 and 30. So now these two, they're working almost equally, and these two they're a little bit slower. So this one is 10, 10, 12, and 12. All right, so now this one is on 16, 16, 12, and 12. Fourteen, 14, 12, 12. Twenty-two, 22, 20, and 20. Alright, now we're gonna be removing them and installing them in the fuel rail and then in the car. We're gonna start it now to find out if it's misfiring. It sounds kind of okay. We're gonna see with the scanner to see what it says. Alright, I'm gonna clear the DTCs because to do the reading it needs to be clear. So 3 is still saying 0. We're thinking it could be wires, or it could be, it has to be something. It has to be a wire because we already did the cleaning. So we're gonna figure out what is happening. I'll let you guys know what we find out. Okay, like I said, I was gonna let you guys know what we find out. It was kind of a little confusing, but we figured out what it was. So I'm gonna be showing you in the computer so you guys can see what's happening. So we're gonna start now the car, and you're gonna look at these numbers, okay? So you're gonna be looking at number 2. Before it was number 3, but now it's gonna be number 2. Let me clear really fast the codes to make sure. You see that it says right there, number 2. Well, right now it's not doing it, but before we figure out, it was doing injection 3.0. I don't know why it's not doing it now. So we switch the spark plug and the ignition coil after we inspect the injector. So we find out that it got electricity and everything. So when we switch from number 3 to number 2, the spark plug and the coil, that's when it happened from the 3 to the 2nd. Still, it says that it's reading good, but let me see if you guys can see how shaky it is. So I'm gonna be removing the coil and I'm gonna show you really. Oh, there you go. It just happened. You see how it's on 0? So when I see ignition output, for me, that's the ignition coil. You know, like the whole piece. Let me show you. For me, it's this whole piece. So if it was telling me ignition coil, you know, running around, that means that it was good in theory. So when I was seeing injection on 0, for me, I thought it was the injector, but not. It's this part. Let me switch it off really fast so you guys can see. Up, I already replaced them, so I'm gonna be doing another cleanup of the engine. But look at the engine, how smooth it is now. This is oil code, oil code. So I need to erase it. So look, the engine is really quiet. And look, everything is working fine better now. So I don't know how injection it comes out as a spark plug or spark coil, but that was the issue. All right guys, so as you guys can see, the engine is now quiet. I still missing a couple more plugs. I need to fix something else, a turbo solenoid. So we're gonna be putting everything back together, and then it's gonna be until I do something else. It could be the door that I still missing the glass, or it could be the bottom plates that I need to fix them. All right guys, see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.